Feel like yourself again with bioidentical hormone replacement therapy at Regen Wellness. Tired, anxious, off balance, you know something's not right, but no one's listening. At Regen Wellness, we get to the root cause, with bioidentical hormone replacement therapy customized to your unique needs. Whether you're dealing with fatigue, mood swings, low libido, weight gain, or brain fog, BHRT helps restore natural balance safely. We use comprehensive lab testing and bioidentical hormones that match what your body naturally produces. You can feel like you again, with better energy, deeper sleep, sharper focus, and restored vitality. You deserve to feel energized, connected, and in control again. With bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, you can. Schedule your free consult today at Regen Wellness. Because when your hormones are in balance, everything changes.